Okay, this one is the short tail cast on that I learned as a child. So you're going to start with a slip knot. And you've got a short little tail, and it doesn't actually matter how long your tail is, but a couple of inches is plenty. Put your slip knot on your needle. And you're going to kind of start like a long tail cast on, but you're just going to use the one end. So you're going to pick up the one end with your 3 fingers. You're going to wrap it outside your thumb and your index finger. Now the motion is really similar to a long tail cast on. You're going to go up under your thumb. You're going to wrap this around. You're going to go backwards. So you're going to follow the line of your index finger up to pick that up. You're going to remove your index finger and pass the thumb loop over the needle. And there you've got a new stitch. So again, you're going to grab with your 3 fingers. You're going to wrap around the outside. You're going to come up under your thumb. You're going to dive over this strand here and go up along your index finger. You remove your index finger and pass the loop on your thumb over the needle tip and pull tight. You go up under your thumb, go over the strand and up underneath, drop your index and put your thumb over the top. When you wrap again, you're going to go up under your thumb, dive over, come up under that strand, put the thumb loop over the top. It's got a similar motion to the backwards loop cast on, but it actually twists the yarn two times in here, which makes it more secure. The disadvantage of this is that it doesn't work very well with single ply yarns because it twists them, but it's great for plied yarns and for when you have a lot of stitches or when you just don't feel like estimating how long your tail needs to be. Now this can be done with the other hand. You grab it with 3 fingers around the outside, up along the thumb, over the top, up along your index finger, drop your index finger, whoops, pass this loop over the top. I'm right-handed, so this is a little more difficult for me. But you go up under your thumb, you go over this strand and pick that loop up from the index finger, drop your index finger and put the loop over the top. So this you could cast on hundreds and hundreds of stitches if you wanted to, and never worry about how long your tail was. Another thing to watch with this one is that it has a tendency to twirl around the needle, so you'll come to the end of it and they will have twisted like this. And all you have to do before you begin is just make sure everything is square to the bottom and underneath the needle before you begin.